Hello everybody, welcome back to Threestepsdrywall. In today's video we're going to show you Olga's new artwork, which she specifically made for Apple Crate galleries for the showcase. The show is going to happen July 8th from 6 till 9 p.m. And as you can see, these two works, the one on the right is called Cleopatra, the one on the left, Pharaoh, will be showcased there and sold. So we're going to show you in depth the details and enjoy the video. Each of these art pieces weigh over 30 kilos and 66 pounds. And they come with custom frames as well. The next art piece is called Pharaoh, and he comes with a similar style and also has a lot of details in him as well. And for the specifics of the weight and the diameter, which is 3 to 4 feet, they're both the same. So everything, as you see here, was made by hand. It's a lot of work, but at the end it pays off. So thank you for watching the video, and hopefully we'll see you at the show.